Hello students, we are going to learn the chapter 4 rational numbers. First we are going to learn about some basic definitions. So first one is rational numbers. Any rational number is of the form p by q where q not equal to 0 and p comma q are integers. P comma q are integers. Example 7 by 6 minus 2 by 11 and so on. The next definition is positive rational number. The p by q is positive if both p comma q is positive or both p comma q is negative. For example, minus 7 by minus 10, minus 3 by minus 15, 8 by 11 and so on. Many examples. So these numbers are called positive rational numbers. Third one is negative rational numbers. So the number that is rational number p by q is negative if any one of p and q is negative, any one. For example, minus 7 by 6, 13 by minus 30 and so on. The next one is standard form. Next one is standard form. So when we say that one rational number is in standard form, mean very simple, any rational number is of the form p by q. Suppose if p by q is a standard form, mean q is positive and HCF of p comma q is 1. If p is a standard form, mean q is should be positive and HCF of p and q is 1. For example, 5 by 11, 6 by 13, minus 8 by 3 and so on. The next definition is comparison of rational numbers. Comparison of rational numbers. How we compare the rational number? We are following some cases. First one is, suppose one number is positive, one number is negative, mean very clear, the positive number is greater. Comparison mean we are going to say which one is greater, which one is smaller. So 7 by 6 minus 8 by 15. So very clear, which one is greater? 7 by 6 is greater. Second case is, suppose equal denominator, different numerator. So how we compare mean, suppose equal denominator, different numerator mean, then compare the numerator, which numerator is greater, that number is greater. Now for example, 5 by 18 7 by 18. So now here denominators are equal. Now compare the numerator. So go to the numerator, 5 and 7. So which numerator is greater? 7 is greater. So 7 by 18 is large. So 5 by 18 is less than 7 by 18. Third case, suppose numerators equal, denominator different. That is equal numerator, different denominator mean how we compare mean. For example, 11 by 3, 11 by 5. So here we compare the denominator. Which denominator is less mean that number is greater. So here numerator are equal. So denominator here 3, here 5. So which denominator is less? So 3 is less. So 7 by 3 is greater. So fourth one is, suppose different denominator and different numerator. In this situation, we are following two method. When we compare this kind of situation, I follow two method: cross multiplication method equivalent rational number method. So in above three method also we are using these two method, but I think when we follow easily compare the two different denominator and different numerator mean easily, if you want find out the number greater less than mean using the cross multiplication method or equivalent rational number method. The first method is cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. For example, compare 7 by 8, 5 by 3. How we compare me? 7 by 8, 5 by 3. First we multiply, cross multiplication, 7 into 3. This is the procedure. 8 into 5. So 21, 40. So which side is greater? So 40 is greater. Therefore 7 by 8, 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 is a greater. So 7 by 8 less than 5 by 3. Second example, compare 11 by 30 and 2 by 3. So we are going to compare. So 11 by 30, 2 by 3. So cross multiplication, 3 into 11, 33, 60. So 60 is greater. So 11 by 30, 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is greater. So very simple. The next method is equivalent rational number method. So how equivalent rational method mean? For example, compare 5 by 9 and 4 by 50. So how you compare mean? First make the equal denominator, then compare the numerator. Which numerator is greater? That number is greater. So first we take the first we make the equal denominator. How we make the equal denominator mean? As per LCM, make the equal denominator. So first we take the LCM for 9 and 15. So LCM of 9 comma 15 is, so you know the LCM procedure, 9 comma 15, 3, 5. So 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. So now make the equal denominator as per LCM. Our LCM is 45. So now first I make the 5 by 9 into equivalent fraction with the denominator 45. So I product by 5 numerator and denominator. So 25 by 45. The second number is 4 by 50. So I product 3 by 3, that is equal to 12 by 45. So now I am going to compare 25 by 45, 12 by 45. So now denominators are equal. So now we compare the numerator. So which numerator is greater? 25 is greater. So 25 by 45 is a greater number. Another one example. Compare 2 by 7 and 4 by 3. So again make the equal denominator as per LCM. So LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. So make the equal denominator first 2 by 7. So I multiply 3 and 3 both numerator and denominator. So 6 by 21. Then 4 by 3 I multiply 7 by 7, that is equal to 28 by 21. So what is the equivalent fraction for 2 by 7 equal to 6 by 21, 4 by 3 for 28 by 21. So now denominator equal. Now compare the numerator. So 28 is greater, therefore 28 by 21 is greater number. So 6 by 21 less than 28 by 21. That's all. Thank you.